Hello everyone. This is the group assignment presentation for the business analytics fundamental. Our group number is 15, and my name is SUMAN MAHARJAN. I have another three member who is DIKSHA ADHIKARI, JHON SURIGAO, and FARZANA JARIN NITU. So in this group assignment presentation, I have 10 questions and another three grand chart presentation which is going to be done by my friend. So starting for this group presentation, I want to start with the question number one. So the question number one is, what is the maximum longitude and it belongs to which state, which is for 1 mark. So for this question I want to show the answer is the maximum longitude is 43.053 and it belongs to Alabama, which I have given here the screenshot. And so for this screenshot I have taken from the software Power BI. Here you can see the maximum longitude and the state in the grand chart in the table format. So from in this table, you can see the maximum longitude is 43.05 and the state is Alabama. For this in this table, I took out this table from the state state and region state, and I have also the Morse 2, which is connected with the city ID. When I click on this, then you can see the attributes I have taken, like longitude, and from this longitude, and from the city and state and region, I click on the state. So you can see I have you can see the maximum longitude is 43.05, and I have taken the 43.05 as in descending order. You can see the maximum I have sorted out the maximum value, and you can also see how I sorted out the data by the maximum of maximum longitude. You can see the final result. So this is for the question number one, and for the question number two. Question number two is, how much is the total gross margin for its state in 2017? 2017. So I have also given the screenshot here and some explanation that how I bring the answer. And so for the answer, the total gross margin for each state is 2017, and the value is 123,000 196.88. So you can see in the Power BI software. When I click on this question number two, you can see the gross profit, and the year is I have chosen only the 2017, and the state is Agawam. So when the total value is, you can see on the bottom, you can see the 123,000 point 196.88. So for this value, I took out this value from the, you can see when I click on this table, like when I bring like bigger, you can see I have choose the gross profit date, and I've chosen the date and the value, like for the year, I choose only the year, and there was also the date, month. So I choose only the year, and I click on the value, like only the 2017. So I sorted out the data for the 2017, and so you can see the final result. So for the question number three, the answer, the question, for the question number three, and the question is, how much is the maximum discount and by which store? So I have taken the answer, like the maximum discount is 1077.59 by the store Owens. So you can see in the Power BI question number 3 on the table. I choose the maximum discount and store description, uh, which is the name of the store. Store how many there are numbers of stores, but the which store is has given us the maximum discount is Owens, and the maximum discount value is 1077.59. So for question number 4, the question number 4, and which city has the maximum sales price in 2017 and how much? So I took the from the table in Power BI. I have taken the answer that the maximum sales price in 2017 is 2053.68 by the Fort Collins. You can see the answers in by Fort Collins in 2017 is 2053.68. So I took out this value from by choosing these attributes like city description, which is the name which has contains the number of like cities, and the date, which brings out us like year, month, date, and quarter. But I choose only the year because we need only the 2017, and the city description, and I sorted out the data by the maximum original sales price. So the final result you can see is Fort Collins in 2017, and the value is 2053.68. For the question number 5, I want to move on question number 5, so you can see the explanation how we bring the answers. And for the question number 5, describe the city in question number 4. Which product did they sell the highest number price in 2007? So we have already know that Fort Collins has the highest sales price in 2017, and the product, and so we have to know the product, which product has the maximum sales, highest sales. We have already know that in 2017 we bring the maximum sales by Fort Collins. We bring in the table, we bring the product, and product for the product we bring the, in you can see the nails has the maximum highest sales. So you can see here by Fort Collins, and we choose these attributes from here, and you can see the small chart here also. And first I want to move on question number 6. For the question number 6, you can see the answer. The question is for the product in question number 4, which year it has the highest original sales price. So we have to find out the original sales price in 2017, 17, and the product. So the highest original price from the product question is in 2017, and the screenshot is here. You can see I have bring the screenshot from the Power BI tools. So for question number 6, you can see the small table which I have bring the attributes from the right side. So in 2017, the maximum original sales is by the Fort Collins, and the product is nails. So you can see the nails here in the small chart. So moving on, question number 7. What is the question? So which product category had the highest product price in 2016, and how much was in total? So the answer is the highest fixed price in 2016 is the household product category with the total like 7,124.88. So moving, I want to show on the Power BI. You can see the I have choose only the value like for the year 2016, and for the category by sorting out, I found out that the household has the maximum maximum sum of price. You can see here a small chart where it shows the household has a big data. So I want to move on question number 8. Question number 8 has like which month had the lowest gross margin and in which year. So so from Power BI, I found the answer that the lowest gross margin in margin is 5,333.88 on the month of January 2017. You can see the when we move towards the Power BI tool, you can see the question number 8. It has, like, you can see on the table for the year 2017, and the highest gross.
Good day, everyone. So my name is John Russell Surigao, and this is the continuation of our group's presentation using Power BI. My task for today is to discuss Dashboard 1 and Dashboard 1 using a slicer and all of its components. So as you can see, Dashboard 1 is composed of 6 major components, namely sales revenue by year, sum of sales revenue by products, gross profit by products and year, quantity sold by city, max gross profit by year and by city, and lastly, this one, sum of discount by city. First, I would discuss sales revenue by year, which is represented by this bar chart. As you can see, evidently, the most sales revenue by year was recorded in 2016, which is roughly around 1 million in sales revenue, followed by 2018, which is roughly around 600,000 in revenue, and lastly in 2017, which roughly gained around 400,000 in revenue. Next is the sum of sales by products. In 2016, the most revenue uh, came from by the sale of nails. 2017, it is still the same. Nails, boots are the top sellers, and in 2018, it's still the same. Nails and boots are the top sellers or the top source of revenue for a product. Next is a bar graph again, which illustrates gross profit by products and by year. Of course, this will correlate to the data set here in the component of sum of sales and revenue. In 2018, just to highlight the year, in 2018, the products that were sold tremendously are nails, followed by boots, gloves, and buckets. And moving forward with regards to the quantity sold by city, as you can see in the map, most of the sales were done in the cities located in North America. And lastly, the most cities that has a discount are cities of Agawan and followed by the city of Yuma. Now, I'm going to move forward with discussing Dashboard 1 using a slicer. A slicer is a Power BI tool which makes it more user friendly, so to speak, because it allows the user to filter out data sets per year. For example, I'm going to click 2016 using by a slicer. Then the dashboard will then change and it will only highlight the data set pertaining to that year, and it's the same scenario if I click 2017 and 2018. In sum, a slicer is a user-friendly tool which makes Power BI more easier and more convenient for users to present data sets. That's it for today. That's the end of my presentation, and the remaining dashboards will be discussed by my other teammates. Thank you.
Hello, I'm DIKSHA ADHIKARI. Now I'm going to describe about the visualization. In the screen you can see 6 visualization and it is done without using slicer. Now I'm going to show this visualization with using the slicer. Now these are the visualization that is being created by using slicer. The second dashboard, I'm going to describe about the second dashboard. The second dashboard in Power BI consists of multiple visualization focused on product category, sales, and gross profit. Mm, The sum of quantity sold by category, year, and product is shown in this line chart, where each line tracks the quantity sold for each product within the apparel category. And this bar chart shows the gross profit by the product, where boot and gloves shows significant product while rain jacket has a lower contribution. And stack bar chart, the third bar chart shows the sum of quantity sold by product and category, where this chart shows the sum of products sold by across different product types. Boots, glove, rain jacket with the apparel category. Boots and gloves have the highest quantity, while the rain jacket are less prominent. The fourth one, slicer filter, shows the slicer by the product categories, where the slicer allows the user to filter the database and product category. The current section in apparel with other category like campaign, grocery, and household also available for the filters. Now, the donut chart. Donut chart shows the sum of gross profit by product and category. This donut chart provides a breakdown of gross profit for different product. Rain jacket, gloves, boot within the apparel category. Boot have the largest shares of gross profit, followed by the gloves. And the fifth one, line chart shows the sum of original sale price and sum of discount by the year, month, and category. This line visualizes the sum of original sale price in discount across different months of the 2016 to 2028. And the last one shows the line chart. This line chart visualizes the sum of original sales and discount across different months. Overall, the dashboard provides detailed insight into the sale performance, gross profit, and discount across product category of the air slicer.
In the chart comes from this single city. And there are also one dashboard 3 that using the slicer. I'm going to describe that, and there are also, we will see that there are also 6 gauges. Yep. The slicer filter allows users to select specific cities. Currently, the city Addington is selected. Other cities like AGAW, EAU, and Addent are also available for selection. By choosing different cities, the data in the visualizations will dynamically change based on the selected city. Like if I click on a different city, we can see the different everything. Yep. Uh, yeah, we can see that it's changing. So I'm just changing again as I'm going to describe about that refer city. So this second bar chart for discounts again emphasizes the discount rate for Addington, showing that 100% of the recorded discount data pertains to this city. Sum of sales revenue by city desk, another donut chart we can see, and it's showing the sum of sales revenue for Addington, which is consistent with the previous donut chart, with the entire portion representing the 5 key revenue from this city. Sales revenue by month and city, the last one. This is also illustrates the sales revenue breakdown by month for the city Addington. The highest revenue was generated in August, followed a decrease in September and October, that we can see that here, and the data begins in March and shows a consistent trend up to October. With August being the peak month, this dashboard provides insights into the city level performance of Addington in terms of quantity sold, discounts offered, and sales revenue, with the slicer enabling filtering for other cities. So that was my presentation, and that's all.